Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 6th November 2025. Indian workers are now at the center of global labor mobility. The latest OECD International Migration Outlook 2025 shows that India has become one of the most sought-after sources of talent for advanced economies facing persistent skill shortages. From hospitals and care homes to technology hubs, Indian professionals and workers are helping OECD nations bridge critical employment gaps. In 2023 alone, nearly 600,000 Indians migrated to OECD countries, an 8% increase over the previous year, making India the top origin country for new migrants. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has ordered a probe into Reliance ADAG companies. The Serious Fraud Investigation Office will investigate alleged corporate governance lapses and fund diversion. This follows concerns raised by financial institutions and auditors. The probe will focus on potential siphoning of funds and the use of shell companies. JSW Paints is gearing up to secure Rs 3,300 crore via non-convertible debentures, using this vital capital to propel its acquisition of AkzoNobel India. In a bold financial strategy, the JSW Group is also embarking on a grand Rs 6,500 crore capital infusion that promises to elevate JSW Paint's positioning in the market. Ranjan Pai's Manipal Education and Medical Group has emerged as a potential bidder for Think and Learn, the bankrupt parent of edtech firm Byju's. Prospective buyers will have the option to acquire either the entire Think and Learn or select assets of the company, including its Akash stake and other businesses such as GeoGebra, Whiteheart Jr. and Topper. Paytm is pumping Rs 2,250 crore into its payments arm as it races to meet new regulatory deadlines and reorganize its sprawling fintech empire. The investment will go into Paytm Payment Services Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary that's being positioned as the nerve center for all Paytm's merchant payment operations, both online and offline. The restructuring comes in response to stricter payment aggregator guidelines issued by the Reserve Bank of India on September 15, 2025. The new rules demand a clear wall between entities that handle payments and those running other business lines. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India and Enforcement Directorate have mutually devised a mechanism allowing insolvency professionals to bring assets of corporate debtors attached by the Enforcement Directorate back into the resolution pool. Such restitution of assets is expected to give a fillip to the resolution process by reducing the chances of the prosecution process against errant promoters for their past wrong deeds, undermining the value of the assets being salvaged. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.